Hi everyone, my name is Amy Baranek and I'm a concierge travel agent with Wishes Family Travel. I'm giving a review of the Hyatt Regency Hotel in the Orlando International Airport. To get to the lobby, you want to take these elevators up to level 4 where you will be assigned your room. They'll give you your room keys. Our room here is a standard room. It sleeps 4 adults. It does not accommodate 5. If you have 5, you need to ask for connecting rooms, which is what we did. And we've done this twice now. They've always been very accommodating with everything. We've had no trouble with getting connecting rooms here. The showers here are wonderful. They have the rainfall water heads, and they give you plenty of amenities that are really nice. In the bathroom, they give you a little sleep pack as well with like some lavender, some tea to help you sleep. The furnishings here are great. They have 2 queen beds. There is a refrigerator in the room. Wi-Fi is available as well in the room. A little desk for you. A safe to lock your valuables in, and a little coffee maker. All the rooms also have a balcony. The balconies do overlook the runway. And it's fun to sit out there like at night, especially with all the lights, and to watch the planes take off. We did not notice any noise in the room. Maybe once or twice you might have heard a little something, but the noise canceling is very good in the rooms here. We had no trouble with the noise at all. Now, we stay here because we were taking a Disney cruise, and if you are using Disney's Magical Express as well, the Hyatt has a great program where you can leave your checked bags in the room, and you bring the form that Hyatt gives you when you check in, filled out with how many bags you left in the room, and Hyatt comes and picks up your bags, delivers them to Disney, who then brings them to the boat, and you see your bags again outside your room a little bit later after you have left port. This is the letter that the Hyatt gives you when you check in, explaining the procedure for everything, and then at the bottom is where you need to fill out how many number of bags you're leaving in the room. On the back is directions on how to find Disney's Magical Express. When you get down there, you want to be sure you're heading to the one to the cruise line, not to Disney's Magical Express to Disney World, because that is not where you want to go. This was the night before. We just kind of explored the hotel a little bit and saw the area that you need to go in order to check in. And this driver here, he was cracking me up. He was like dancing in that when I was taking pictures of the bus. So here was the line the morning we went down about 9:30 to check into the cruise. We were the second group that was being checked in. When you check in, you need your book that they sent you to your house, and then they will tag you as a group. So we were the Chip and Dale group. The group before us that is my brother and his girlfriend goofing around when we were taking selfies on the bus. And there they are in the back. And once you get on, you just need to sit back and relax. You get to the Disney port, you arrive, and then you check in and get on the boat. It makes it so easy. Love the Hyatt. It's super, super easy. And I really recommend staying there just for the ease of transition for everything. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.